In the Pullet stages, phase 2 is to co-locate the equipment according to the process sequence. This is where you move equipment into a sequential layout according to the flow of your production process. One challenge that you may run into is moving what are known as large monuments. Monuments are large, difficult, and specialized machinery that is tough to reorganize. If you run into this situation, you'll want to move the smaller pieces of equipment around the monuments according to the process flow. This will allow you to avoid the struggle of hiring and moving these machines and take full advantage of the machines for processes that may use batch manufacturing. In these cases, you can build cells around the monuments. Once you have moved your functional layout into a process-based layout, you will have a great reduction in the distance traveled as well as the production times. One other benefit of co-locating your equipment in a sequence is that it makes it much easier to see work in process inventory build up, which will help you remove inventory waste later on. Now, before we go, we'd like to give you a few questions that you can answer in the comments section or the upcoming assignments section of this module. Firstly, do you have any large monuments or machines that are part of a process that you cannot move? And then, can you move equipment anywhere you want, or would you need to plan a Kaizen event to change your layouts from a functional layout to a process-based layout? Remember, these questions are meant to get you thinking about actionable items as well as give you feedback. We look forward to hearing from you, and we'll see you in the next module.